Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. He is the essence and cause of the creation. He is the essence and cause of the creation. Wide variety has in him a unique summation. Wide variety has in him a unique summation. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. Souls and hearts attain peace and solace. Souls and hearts attain peace and solace. Unseen your moon-like radiant face. Unseen your moon-like radiant face. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. What a splendor you displayed at the final toss. What a splendor you displayed at the final toss. Prophethood's rose garden has come to a close. Prophethood's rose garden has come to a close. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. Your merciful tresses are so long and bright. Your merciful tresses are so long and bright. The darkness of our sins is out of sight. The darkness of our sins is out of sight. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. More no more sinners come out of prison. More no more sinners come out of prison. Bright chances of your entering heaven have arisen. Bright chances of your entering heaven have arisen. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. By Allah's grace, I shall neither stumble nor miss. By Allah's grace, I shall neither stumble nor miss. If I get a chance, those holy shoes to kings. If I get a chance, those holy shoes to kings. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. RAZA, do not grieve so much for your sins. RAZA, do not grieve so much for your sins. He who loves Muhammad always wins. He who loves Muhammad always wins. He who loves Muhammad always wins. Muhammad is the symbol of Allah's dignity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity. His visible diversity has an invisible unity.